people who have some seeds in the ground and just begin to declare that. Just help me out. I just want to hear you sing it. Say, we've been praying, we've been sowing, now we're crying. Let me tell you something. Rain only matters to those who have seed in the ground. If you don't have seed in the ground, rain is a nuisance. But if you've been planting some things, and you've been praying some things,